Yo, what's up guys? Si iCrafter to and welcome back finally dito sa Minecraft. And sobrang tagal ko na hindi kayo nakita guys, and na-miss ko kayo lahat. And sa madaming ends, sobrang tagal ko na hindi na Minecraft. So eto, ulit ako bumalik ulit sa Minecraft, and nagbalik ako sa YouTube. Wait lang, skip. And gusto ko rin maka-video. Gusto ko rin makagawa ng video for how long was the last video na? Months na since the last video. Madami akong ginawang video pero delete lahat dahil nag-busy ako and I need storage for my phone. Pero ngayon, okay na yung situation ko. I'm in my vacation, kaya may time ako mag-video. And welcome sa Survival World ko. This is just new. I just been playing it for kaya for this video, we'll be building a stable. We'll be building a stable right here. Gusto ko lang magbalik sa pagiging builder. Madaming nang change promise sa Minecraft. Hindi ko alam. Madami ng updates. And mostly na ginagawa ko kasi mga reporting and research. Research pala. Yun rin yung pinagabalan ko buong schooling ko, syempre. Saan pa ba ako magre-research? The plan is having a 4 by this will be the back 1, 2, 3. So each table is a 5 by 5 and I have 4, I think. Then 1, 2, 3. So this will be a black palette. So basically this is like a window and stone dito. And napili kong palette will be this, a little darkish color. So bang, yan yung palette ko. So basically ito yung window. So let's continue the 5 by 5. P. So this will be start. Medyo mataas to, so mga 4 blocks high. And this will be 5 blocks high. So that's basically it as the pillars. Dito is just 1 block. This will be 4 blocks. I think my battery is dead. Wait lang. I-details natin mamaya. We can details them later. Basta lang natin. I like to build build things simple first, then detail later. Para hindi ako ma-overwhelm agad sa mga blocks na kailangan ko, and ayaw ko kasi I just enjoy things. Okay? Nag-enjoy lang ako. Okay, may dalawang creepers agad dito, so need ko patayin. Okay. Pero dito, this will be a pivot point. That will be it. I'll just fill this up. This will be a sloping thing. Ganun. So wait, let's get rid of this muna para para makita natin yung general formula of the idea. Okay, so that's the skeleton. Now I'm thinking, should I make this strip para nakakaiba rin? Wala akong sapling for spruce, so kaya I can't make them black. Pero I do have rooftops na pwede yung tough, I think. Then medieval style yung yung plan ko dito eh. So will this look good? Yes, it will. I-mix lang natin. We'll mix it through this and the top. Now the design is really simple. It will be just a slope, pero we'll add some details kung kailangan. I'm just freestyling this build. Hindi ito planado. So basically, I'm just gonna do this as I do. I'll start it in the top. I like this new blocks sa Minecraft. I know I'm not been that long of a trip, pero madaming nangyari sa kaya check natin. Siguro time-lapse ko to. So guys, para hindi kayo maboring, time-lapse ko lang to. 3, 2, 1, time-lapse. Okay. We have a problem. Stop ko muna yung time-lapse natin dahil naboost ako ng tough. And wala na akong supply ng tough. And we still need a ton, siguro mga 3 stack or 2 stack pa ako ng needed natin. And plus yung detail. So kailangan natin mag-mine. Simple. And this is a good time to show you what's my mind. What's in my mind. I think meron dito. Nope. Pero lagay ko muna yung mga ko dito. Wait ko pong patayin yan. And I'm almost dead. Mabuti na lang. Ooh, underside. Pwede. As may block. Okay guys, mine muna ako para sa materials natin. Wow! That was dangerous. Mine muna ako and I'll see you above ground. Okay, I just went back from mining and we have managed to get 6 stacks of tough, and nakuha rin ako ng underside para for detailing para sa atin syempre kailangan natin ng detail, hindi lang yung flat, hindi gaya ng iba dyan flat. I'm so gonna get cancelled with this. First kailangan ko to get rid of all of this. Kailangan ko yan. Hindi ko kailangan ng sword. I have an axe. I did destroy my pickaxe, pero as you can see, nakakita ako ng mga wild diamonds habang nagmamine ako ng top. Plus points for that. Pero sa mga gusto pang makita ng improvements base or suggestions kung ano yung gusto niyo makita ko i-build, please comment down below if you want to. And habang nandyan kayo, maybe it's a good time to say subscribe if you do like the videos of mine. It's been a long time, but if you do like it and want to see me to build more or make more videos, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Then it helps me, it helps me think and brainstorm ideas if someone are watching or someone are interacting, because I just don't have that much ideas. Like truly, it's been a struggle to have like my own ideas. Pero kung if you want to, I did make a lot of stuff sick. Pero if you do want to, to see me more videos, if you see me and if you want to know about me, that's a good way to support me or learn about me. Subscribe, because I do share some of my life experience while I do Minecraft. And maybe someday I'll let my friends join in the fun, because I do enjoy it with other people. That's why my first SMP video did a lot more than I thought, because I was playing with other people. Kaya favorite ko talaga na may kasama ko. Minsan kasi boring kung ako lang mag-isa. That's why I always keep on updating myself if there's any SMP, an open SMP. Pero sometimes kasi ayaw ko ng SMP dahil yung mga griefers na-remind na lang ako nung sa Kent SMP. Sobrang chaotic ng SMP na yun. Dahil yung mga admins, inabuso nila yung cheats nila. Yung mga bahay namin sinira, TNTs, oh wow. Pero I do miss the friends that I had there. Some are still making videos, which is great because I'm happy for them. Pero sometimes I do miss them. There's only small people that I know that plays Minecraft and enjoys it. And some of my friends are actually in college now. Me will be starting soon. Ang mangyayari nito is maging busy ulit ako. Pero I'll keep on making videos. If you want to see me vlogs, if you want to see any vlogs, I'll post some vlogs about life. It will be cringe if you like cringy stuff. Pero I do enjoy it sometimes. Maybe flat. These ones. There we go. Because I'm just gonna make them for the sides right here, like an outline. Pero yun lang. Yan yung stable. The roof top of the stable. Gusto ko gawa ng details, pero for now ganito muna. And maybe put some here, some there. I'm hungry, so I can't run. Bang. Bang. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Fences makes it better. There. And at the center here. Okay. Roof. And boom. That will be just the front details. Now, I do have fences, so I'll put one here. For the sides, I want it to be a tough side. Tough and underside. I'm just gonna cut this through and just details everything. Wait! So I'll see you guys for just a moment. Okay. Okay, Husman. Ready to see your new home? And ayan. Well, it looks simple, pero as time comes, it will be detailed. Ito yung bagong home stable ni Osman. Yan. And guys, wala akong wala akong fence gate. Habang wala pa, yan ko muna. So ayan guys, ito yung natin, yung first video natin for this year. And sana may dadating ulit na next video, and sana hindi next year ulit. Parang nakikita ko sa mga video ko sa every year siguro 2 to 3 videos na ako post. And gusto kong ma-change yan. Gusto kong mag-interact ulit sa mga viewers ko. So, ito yung first video. I hope you like the stable for Osman and other of his friends. So, hanggang dyan lang muna guys. So, tandaan nyo guys, please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!